Hi everybody, this is Dahlia with Dahlia's Dishes and Destinations, and today I'm in Indian Rocks Beach. I'm making picadillo. I have my ground beef already ready. All my veggies are diced because I have no picky eaters today. I have everything set out. We use olives and capers in our picadillo, olive oil and a red wine, tomato sauce, and all my dry seasonings. We're going to start cooking the ground beef. We'll drain it and then saute our veggies. After everything's sauteed and cooked and drained, we'll put it all together, bring these flavors all together to make a delicious meal. Now, everybody doesn't make picadillo the same. Some people add corn. Some people add raisins. Some of us add some diced French fries, little hash browns, cut up potatoes. It just depends on what your family likes. And that's a great dish to just change and turn around and make your own. But then if you have any leftovers, remember, you always make empanadas. But for today, we're going to eat our picadillo over white rice and black beans. And this is our arroz con picadillo, white rice, picadillo, black beans on top, our Cuban bread, rice extra for another day, another meal. Remember, you can add hash browns, corn, raisins, whatever your favorite would be, your family's favorites. And always remember, if you like this video and want many, many more, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you feed them, they will come. Hey everybody, we're on our little excursion today. I was on my way to one of the bakeries in Orlando, but we did a side trip and we are on a new excursion. We are here at a U-Pick farm here in the Claremont area. It's called Southern Hill Farms. Southern Hill Farms, we're here for the day. They've got food trucks, they've got amusement rides, field trips for kids. So we are on our way to explore this new excursion of ours, and I cannot wait. I can pick blueberries or strawberries, and next year they're going to have peaches. I am in Southern Hills Farm and I am so happy. This is my kind of living. The farm life, the gardening, cooking, farmers markets, I love them all. Today we're here in Southern Hills Farms and there's acres and acres of blueberries that you get to pick. We're going to pick in a little while, but right now we're going to go to the farmers market and check that out. Look at the old pickup truck. I love it.
There's Dalia.
Oh, yeah.
Enjoying your day so far?
I'm loving it.
I know you're loving it.
I'm in heaven.
Look at the tables you have here. Sit down. They have food trucks all over the place here, hot donuts. I mean, this place on the weekend, it's got to be hoppy.
Oh, yeah, we're coming back. The watermelons are going to be coming up this summer. Tons of watermelon. But look at that soil. Look at that soil right here, right under the tarp. See that tarp? That's just sandy soil. Perfect for melons. And I just seen a wasp. It is awesome.
I think Dalia's in a whole little world here.
Yes, I love it.
Wouldn't it be nice to own it? Well, this is going to be a lot of work.
No, I don't want this much.
24 acres is a lot
No,
of work.
it's not. I do not want this much. But 5 or 10 acres,
5 little acres would be enough for us, right?
or 10.
Or 10.
So now we're going to go explore under the tent. They've got homemade donuts and different things for us to find and eat, like a blueberry lemonade that I can't wait to try. And they even bring on school field trips. So there's tons of kids in front of me, and I don't know if they're behind me, but they're all here for a field trip to learn about the farm and also to ride the carnival rides in the back. she doesn't. Oh, she doesn't want you to film her. It's okay. Oh, look, that's the one. That's the blueberry lemonade. I don't know what that is. Maybe strawberry? Yeah, they got food trucks with. That's the bakery. Look up for the menu. I think we're eating lunch here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. Picking blueberries and.
Look at the bakeries in Orlando. That's another day.
Yeah, that's okay. And I can't wait.
You know me at farms, and if I like it,
It's gotta be good. Wow. And guess what? I can't wait to bring the grandbabies. Ah,
oh, I think Kylo would love it.
Kylo would love it. Ahsoka would love it. Oh, remember, she said all the different kinds of beer that they make here. Oh, they make popcorn here. Oh, and all the nuts. Kettle corn. Oh, Lord. Oh, yes. Oh. Oh, yeah. And burgers? Yes. You can eat the tacos. I'm going for the burgers.
I don't know what I'm going for yet. I haven't figured it out yet.
Ah.
They got barbecue burgers. They got regular burgers.
Oh, nice. And they got all kinds of, look at the salads. They have all kinds of salads here. In the back is the amusement park for the kids to go on rides for field trips or on the weekends. They have all kinds of little carnival rides in the back. Not big, huge, but it's great to get the kids to have some fun, but then also to teach them how to pick produce, that it doesn't only come from the grocery store.
Carnival rides in the
See,
back.
it's called the Kid Zone.
It's called the Kid Zone, and you have a wristband that you get.
The field trip just left the kids, so they probably had a blast. And it's a hot one today. So you can get your Kid Zone. Look at that. Wristbands are required to play. $22, $18. And then you get to ride all the rides you want as many times as you want. Let them get good and tired. But first get them to pick the fruit. Pick the fruit, then play, and then they crash in the car on the way home. So this ends our destination, our adventure. I'll bring my grandbabies here with me, and we are going peach picking and vegetable picking. And I've already told them about the good news of this wonderful adventure that we found, and my grandson Kylo cannot wait. He says, well, thank you for showing me a new adventure. Hey everybody, if you like this video and you want many more of my destinations and my recipes, please like, subscribe, and share. And remember, it's all about the food.